Hi, this is Olai Biwoye of Commercial Property Club, a platform geared towards thought leadership when it comes to income producing property. Today is another day in which we would consider a topic that I called how to use individual retirement account, your IRA, or your 401k to buy an apartment. If you're unsure if you can use your 401k or your IRA to purchase an apartment, you can get all the information you need at least to start here moving forward. Yes, you can actually utilize the funds in your 401k to purchase an apartment, but doing so is usually not advisable since you would be subject to a 10% withdrawal penalty and taxes on any money you take out. So you should consider or think about how to use your 401k to buy a property that ultimately would affect your retirement funds base. So let's consider these ways to use individual retirement account or your 401k to buy an apartment. Number one, personal loan from your 401k. Even though this situation isn't actually a loan in the classic sense, it will have a payback plan that needs to be followed after distribution. Most accounts include a limited amount that is under some circumstances that are permitted. When withdrawals are made, sometimes they are limited to an amount as small as $50,000 from a 401k. The money is then taken out during this loan, and the loan is utilized to purchase this small apartment. A 401k real estate is important to consider before you invest. You must consult with your tax attorney or your retirement account administrator so that you make sure you are doing it within the confines of a profitable venture. Number two, the option of self-directing the IRA. A person who rolls their 401k into another account or is self-employed might consider the self-directed options. The procedure is more liberal, and some form of investments such as real estate are permitted rather than complying with trustee requirements. For the majority of IRA accounts, there are strict reinvestment restrictions on investment income. So understanding this restriction can be useful to inform your decision going forward when you want to self-direct your IRA. So purchasing investment property with a 401k IRA account. The typical individual has 401k account that they have earned by working various jobs. Funds are frequently rolled into one or more accounts to take advantage of the possible tax advantage of retirement planning. The remaining amount of the rolled over 401k might be held in an individual sponsored plan or a self-employed IRA. This new accounts distribution can be self-directed in the acquisition of an apartment building. Regulations for 401k accounts from the IRS and the trustee. Before and after income distribution, retirement funds may be eligible for tax benefits. The IRS publishes an annual list of retirement account exemptions and restrictions. Reviewing the restrictions that apply to your personal accounts may assist you in determining if retirement account withdrawals for your real estate are the best option. If a non-allowable transaction is conducted before the retirement account's maturity age, the individual who takes money may be fined in some form of fashion. Let's look at some guidelines for 401k withdrawals actually. Before the age of 59 and a half, withdrawals may be subject to federal income tax. You might also be charged a 10% penalty fee. In 2022, first-time apartment buyers or home buyers are permitted to withdraw up to they're about $10,000 without being penalized for doing so. Extra charges could be required when it comes to some fees being charged for services of administrator. So, in conclusion, as an investor, taking money out or self-directing your retirement account fund into an apartment building investment that is already cash flowing and has a potential to appreciate should be taken with due diligence as an investor. You have to show due diligence when it comes to investing using this particular strategy. Make sure you consult with several advisories, from your tax professionals to your legal attorneys, as well as your custodians of your retirement account. This is Olaibiwoye of Commercial Property Club. Thank you